The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there again, you know. Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. You know, once you see me, you know, say, me have videos I'm going to present to you. Things I'm going to talk to you about as well. Let's see. Alright, so I'm going to start off this video with a riddle. A quick riddle. As I say, now 6 females were sisters. Each have a brother. How many brothers they have all together? Give me an answer in the comment section of this video, alright? Alright, now my people, the first video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show some things that happened when 2 persons had been brought into police custody somewhere within the Bahamas Islands. I do not know when this video will be recorded, and I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly why those 2 persons had been brought into police custody within the Bahamas Islands. But one of the reasons why this video is being talked about on social media is because of the way how those 2 persons behaved while they were at a police station that is located somewhere within the Bahamas Islands. In the video, you can hear persons yelling and shouting, and in the video, you can hear when those 2 persons who had been brought into police custody used a certain amount of harsh language. The video also shows at least 1 person who had been wounded. To my understanding, at least 1 police officer was at that spot where the video had been recorded. Viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about the behavior of those 2 persons while they were at the police station. And I want you to please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think about this video. Observe with me.
You?
I'm trying to be nice to you, bro.
You?
Oh,
Bro! Cash, you're gone.
Take this thing off your
Try this off your hand.
we can say you to the person.
You're fucking gone. Please, just. No, you got. Hold on. This touched my head 3 times. I am coming down there. My question I come 3 times because I let you talk too fucking. My question I come. Show them this face right now.
That's an officer.
I don't give a fuck who the officer.
Don't see that? My face. Don't come in my face. Sit down.
Mother just passed away.
Okay, that ain't got nothing to do with it. You and your kid are bad, bro.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You ain't here for nothing. Don't bring Miss Evans inside there. Don't bring Miss Evans in.
Don't touch him. Don't touch him. I got you.
Them a go on, son.
You like 2 months ago. You
Make them a go on, son.
You come here to make up things. You're supposed to jail open.
Both legs are
And you touch the police, bro.
You do this to my
Please don't think he had nipple open from me, brother, and he don't come here and complain. Now we come here to help him. Now you trying to get off the
Like
face.
it.
You just out there.
These are good people here.
You put your and you still with a 16-year-old. Record that. You still with a 16-year-old. And a 17-year-old. You're badass.
Hold on, my people. It come let me hear the man accuse somebody of sleeping with a teen. Come here, the person says 16 and then 17. I wonder who him attack. Come, I can't tell if everybody there's a police, you know. I can't tell if everybody there's a law enforcer, that I should say. You see me, I say me hear people in the video, but on all of them, I say me I want them hear good. He come like him accuse somebody of sleeping with a teen, basically underage. At least, which part I come from, that underage. Anyways, make a look. Listen, what a piece of person at the police station there.
A 17-year-old.
Are you
Some fucking bringer. Nanda, Roxbury. Watch out, Roxbury. Roxbury.
take this thing off?
Daddy, her mother there would say she gonna fucking put this complaint in because what he doing right now. So trust me, let him do it. Let him do it.
Hey, I ain't gonna tell you no more. Sit over there, you know. You lock up, you know. You know that, right?
Fuck you. Fuck you. Let pass my head in front of my child. I make judgment.
This is not the 3rd time I tell you sit down, right?
And you can
And take these earrings off. You take these earrings off your ass too.
You can shut the fuck up.
I'm going to the police station.
Huh? Brother, let me tell you this.
Take the hands off
Next time you touch me, I can tell you this. I can take my hands off. I can take my hands off in front of you. I can take my. Let me tell you this. You can't. From touch me. Don't touch this, boy. No. Y'all gotta stop that. Because y'all can't fucking go in the assault and do this shit.
You on the police station, you know?
You can't go in the assault and do this. And I listen. You tell me take my hands off, right? I take my hands off.
For a million times.
I take
what to do when you walk
on. That's your first time. That's your first time. That's your first time. I told you to take this out. And I can't know what that.
You know this is on the inside the station. This is the police station.
This is your first time.
Well, my people, me start to wonder if them two persons there's somewhat been drinking or something. What make the man go on to the police station? Good police them.
Yes. This is your first time. This man just somebody under arrest.
Look like there's something going on.
Your uncle them fucking come here now. Move out. This bitch gone. At least like that. And you're gonna have fucking what am I arrested for? What am I arrested for? Why am I arrested? The girl had the fucking camera shine right on the phone and watch this man punch you up inside your head. You go. You guys touch him. And the next time you fucking touch him, trust me, you still go ahead like this. You go. You ain't dangerous with the brother. If you see me,
Is he probably?
What a piece of passa at the police station there. One of the two persons them accused someone of sleeping with a teen, basically underage, to the number them me hear the person give. See? And then one of them say somebody punch him a certain amount of times. What really and truly I go on there some people? Eh? Me I wonder if them did a drink. Me I wonder what really happened. And the two persons them who in a police custody, them somewhat look alike, you know. Me I wonder if them are brother to, you know, my people. Yeah man, them look alike in a way. Me not know them. I have no confirmed information as to exactly who they are. But in my point of view, them look somewhat alike. Me I wonder if them are brother. Or if them even at least related then. Me I wonder. Me not say it now, I'm wondering. But John know my people, still, you know, the way all those two persons behave in that police station can get them into more trouble, you know, than they might be already in. See, because if those two persons are being arrested, or if at least one of them is being arrested, then the behavior of those two persons might cause problem or more problem for them. Janu. Well, all me can say them brave. My people, that video shows exactly what not to do if you find yourself at a police station for some reason. You understand? Yeah. Anyways, I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers. I can tell me what you think about that video that I just presented to you. So I saw more than one video circulating on social media that shows when a person who many people on social media call Superman was at Half-a-Tree Square in St. Andrew, Jamaica. I do not know when those videos have been recorded, no viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? And to my understanding, the same person who many people on social media call Superman also goes by the name of Kaseeno on social media. I got the understanding that he's a musician. I saw at least 2 music videos that he had done. And let me tell you something, viewers and subscribers. Them sound good. Them sound good. You see me I say? Even though one of them never really that long in my point of view, but them still sound good viewers and subscribers. Let me tell you something, and take it as me tell you. See? Anyways, I'm going to present one of those pieces of videos that shows Kaseeno, aka Superman, at Half a Tree Square, St. Andrew, Jamaica. See? Again, I don't know when the video will be recorded, alright? Yeah, and you can also hear harsh language in this video as well, so viewer discretion is advised. Here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Bumbo-clad Superman in the building. You see it? Them fuck with the people up.
People love gimmicks. I saw it go. People love a little gimmicks and little stunt to the thing. You see me I say? Yeah, but my people still, you see this person what they call Superman, otherwise known as Kaseeno, a musician. I got the understanding, say a long time this person I do music, you know. You see me I say? Yeah, me get the understanding, say a long time this person I do music. Me do some research and, you know, me get some understanding about this person's past, you understand? But you see me don't want to jump to conclusion and I do not want to give any wrong information. So before me give any wrong information, me I gotta ask you, my viewers and subscribers, 2 questions. Have you ever heard the name Vilmark Hamilton before? And have you ever heard the name Maximilian before? I hope I pronounce those 2 names right? Anyways, I guess I'm gonna leave it now, viewers and subscribers. So big up and respect to each and every one. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.